Hello again, so we're back. We've made our app work for the beginnings. What we'll do now, we'll go back to ChatGPT, and actually ChatGPT already offered the next steps for our app. And for example, it offers in-app chat for match trades. So what we'll do, we'll ask it, please implement chat. There you go. So you can see now ChatGPT is going back to the source code and is updating it, hopefully successfully, to include in-app chat capabilities. See, it's still working on the source code. So what it says, it's actually added a basic in-app chat window that appears when you swipe right on an item, simulating a trade match. So let's see if that works. So it actually opened a chat window, but the chat window is way too big. But we can basically send messages we want to, I guess. So there you go. We'll close it. We cannot swipe at the moment, so that doesn't seem to work. So that's the next thing we're gonna fix.